Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will be working on a movement which I think in English has different names. The most popular one, as far as I know, will be reversed camel or undulation. So it's a kind of reversed camel, but in the way I'm explaining it and doing it, it's not 100% true, but you will know it in a moment. And undulation because it's undulating your body. So whatever the name, the movement of course stays the same, but you can find it under different names. And what we will be doing? We will be doing a kind of reverse camel, as I said. And if you want to know how to do a camel, you can check out this video up here, then you will see how camel works. And today we will do something a bit similar, but changing the direction. So we have our proper body posture, feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, open chest, long neck, as always. And now we want to start our movement from our pelvis. In camel, the pelvis didn't work. Here we will start our movement from pelvis, and we will tuck it a bit more in. So we are doing this line in our body, and then you can try to think with your pelvis. So when you tuck it in, then you want to take it a little bit up, and then push it outside, in and push it outside, in and push it outside, in and push it outside. And this pelvis movement creates an undulation in our upper parts of our belly. So in, and when I'm pushing it out, it creates this little undulation, and this is what I want to do. So now, for now, and for the first, not for the first time, but at the beginning of our exercises, you can focus on the pelvis. When you will feel your pelvis, you can focus on the rest of your body and try to feel what is happening, and then try to control it, of course. So we have pelvis and out, and out, and out, and out. And watch out when you do the tuck in, don't lose your posture, because very often you will see that dancers will be doing like this, so they break their posture, and very often it happens that you can have a photo then like this, not very aesthetic and beautiful. So you want to keep your posture and working only with your pelvis and upper belly. So once again, when the movement is fluent, you're going out, out, and 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 out. And this is how you do undulation. So if you like this episode and you've managed to do undulation, give me thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions or doubts, leave a comment below and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced tutorials, more advanced combos, variations of different movements, psychology, culture, language, history, all things Oriental dance related, feel free to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course, here on my YouTube channel. I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life and more. And of course, let's meet here next week for the new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!